I had something that came up with in 2010 and 11 called the SCAR formula that we used to give away on our website, and we don't anymore. I don't want to spend time reading the whole thing off, but to summarize it in a sentence, if you combine specialized knowledge in your niche with building your authority position in a unique sandbox, and you combine that with, like Dakota in your example, showing the tangible results you've gotten to date, like within past deals, even if in the current firm you can't point to that, then that combined just leads to getting a lot more done, I found. So you have to make it real with either videos or walkthroughs or case studies, and showing the value you added on deals you put together before, and showing a case study, the lesson learned, how that's part of your strategy now, and make it tangible. But if you make it tangible, and you clearly have a lot of specialized knowledge, and you have an authority position that's unique, and you combine those things so it's authentic and real, then we find that investors gravitate towards that, and that's what builds credibility. And credibility is really expertise and knowledge. It's the combination of those two things is what credibility is defined as.